Now on Friday when the market closed, Nio finished trading at $5.10. It closed where it closed trading at on Thursday, which is something that is very interesting. I mean, the share price of Nio just this past week, or from Monday to Friday, it dropped 6.3%, which is something that, again, it brings some panic onto those that, of course, are expecting the share price, or were expecting the share price to already be trading at double digits at this time. But one thing that we know about Nio is that, yeah, it's a long-term play, man. Share price wise, no one can actually tell you where it could be in the short term, but in the long term, we know that we will get back to $66.99. This is what we know. This is what we are going to see, because Nio, fundamentally, it continues growing regardless of what you might have seen this September. I mean, a lot of people, yes, were complaining, even myself, complaining about the kind of deliveries that Nio produced. But after the Nio CEO came and cleared to say that they cancelled some of the incentives to make sure that they increase in gross margins, I mean, we began to see what really Nio achieved in the deliveries of October, which was massive, which was bullish, because gross margins are more important than sales. You and me can agree to that, because gross margins will take us to profitability, or higher gross margins will take us to profitability, whilst higher sales and lower gross margins will make us to take time getting to profitability, which was very important for the Nio CEO to clear that one up. I mean, I know we want Nio to get to profitability right now, but based on what Nio is doing, the fundamentals, I think you and me can agree that 2025 chances now are very high that we'll get to profitability, because of the kind of sales we are seeing Nio generating by their sub-brand Onvo, the kind of gross margins that Nio is making from their main brand, and the upcoming, of course, other Firefly sub-brand. We can safely say that there is a clear path leading us to profitability. Yes, right now in the short term, we're expecting the share price, or the stock price of Nio, to be maybe at double digits, and it has not happened. But I still believe that maybe before the year ends, we will be at least at $9, or we should have clocked $9, and hopefully there are catalysts that will help us get there. Hopefully the Q2 earnings that Nio will announce will help us get there, because on those earnings we know what will be important is not only the earnings that Nio will report, but it will also be the guidance which they gave for Q4. If Nio give a good guidance for Q4, it's lights out, man. We need to brace ourselves for what will be coming, because what people will be interested or wanting to know is the guidance, the kind of sales that Nio is expecting to sell now in Q4, which once we get that over and above maybe the total revenue they generated, cash at hand, the earnings per share, then it will be lights out, man. And hopefully those earnings take Nio to the promised land, or take Nio to the kind of share price we want to see. Q3 earnings are the ones that can make a difference into the share price, or can make Nio quickly get to the $9 price target, which we look forward to that. We look forward to those earnings. Nio has not announced the official date of the Q2 earnings, but I think very soon they will be doing so. They will be announcing as to when are they expecting to report the Q2 earnings. That date they will announce very soon, meaning that somewhere between now in November, before the 15th, I think they should have announced as to when are they expecting to report their Q3 earnings. And I must say, we look forward to those earnings, because we know those earnings might bring a relief into the share price, stock price of Nio, and result into the share price of Nio maybe surging, exploding, making a short squeeze, like what we saw from Tesla after they reported their Q3 earnings. So yeah, man, I know share price wise it is not encouraging. I mean, it hurts to see Nio trading this low at the bottom of the belly, regardless of the fundamentals, regardless of the 30% increase year over year delivery growth they reported on Friday. This is sad to see, this is sad to watch, but long term will win, man. We shall be rewarded, we shall be rewarded, people. This is a showcase, this is a sure thing. I know that blue sky is coming. 2025, it's our year. 2025, we get to profitability, and we need to be ready for that as investors. We need to be ready for that, and take this low trading price as opportunities to load the boat, because blue sky is coming. So many people want Nio to get to profitability. We all want that, and I'm sure we'll get to that sometime in Q3, Q4 of 2025. So yeah, man, tell me what you think about this. Share price wise, I'm in the same boat as you, so when it goes down, it's sort of like said, I must be open. We all want Nio to get to double digits in terms of the share price, but I think very soon we'll be getting to that, because even the big financial institutions are now seeing increasing, reiterating buy ratings onto Nio, increasing their price targets onto Nio, because they see the massive potential that lies within this stock. This is just massive, man. This is just bullish, and I know that we will be paid. Long term will win. Blue sky is coming. I'm not even doubting that by any chance, because I know that Nio is doing the best they can to make sure that they grow the company. The company does not stay at the same place for a long time. And how they are doing that, they are making sure that the growth onto Nio continues growing, continues improving, which is massive, which is bullish. Tell me what you think about this, man. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, because on this channel, Nio is a stock that I talk a lot about, because I believe in their fundamentals, I believe in their future prospects, which is why on a daily basis I give you quite a number of videos. And all I ask from you is just hit the like button if you do enjoy the content that I give you on a day-to-day about Nio. I cannot tell you but what to do with your holdings. If you want to sell, you can sell. If you want to buy, you can buy, because I'm not certified to tell you that. But I think in the long term, Nio will still win. Nio, it's a winner, no brainer. We just need to brace ourselves for what's coming and give Nio some time to grow, and give Nio some room to ramp up the production also for their sub brands, and then we will be rewarded. We'll see the true colors of what Nio is becoming, or it's transforming to be, which is massive, and we look forward to. Otherwise, with all that, do your own DD. That's all from me. I'll see you in my next video, and God bless you all.